but
I know.
You didn't tell me. I didn't know.
exactly.
Sorry.
I like your little burqa.
No,
I think funny.
Anyone else want to say hi?
Hi! Yellow.
It's still like mildly wet, so it's like
Yada 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 yada. Where's Tori? She's our guide. We need an interview. I want to say hi.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, Peter. Any words of wisdom, Kyle?
Enjoy the time. Enjoy the vibes.
Awesome.
Don't get thrown up on by Anna.
Anyone have any words of wisdom?
I hope I don't throw up.
Hi, Johnny. How you doing?
Really
Oh, look at that John line.
Anyone?
Any words of wisdom?
Seek ye first the kingdom of God. Love like Jesus. They're strong.
That's just all the control.
In right now, it's called the Smuggler Cave, and it has that name because we have a ton of official records of people doing smuggling over here in this area. The hole on the right side was used to put some ropes down, tie everything onto the boats, and then pull everything to land. Alcohol, tobacco, spices, and gold are just for examples of a lot of things that have been trafficked in this area. Esta es la cueva del contrabandista, pues tenemos un montón de registros oficiales de contrabando en esta área. El hueco a la derecha era usado para poner cortas abajo.
Don't worry, Tori, I got you.
Okay, so the cave we're getting in right now, it's called Paradise's original name, although the locals insist on calling it the Love Cave. Because when it's low tide, people like to stop to make babies inside.
Sand on her shoes, finally reached the shore. After miles of blue, standing at the door.
We're getting in right now, it's called the Skull Cave, and you'll be able to see the skull on the left side. The two big holes are the eyes, and the rock in the middle is the nose.
For us, and you say that this is hopeless, but I say, come on, get living. The past is the past, there's no going back now. Don't wanna miss this, it's time to let go of that moment you're chasing. We here now, we've made it. Come on, just light the match and turn and watch the ships burn. I'm tired of talking, I'm ready to I might be crazy for leaving, but brother, I'm all in. ships burn. Open doors, pounding chest, choice is yours. All that's left is walking through it. And you say that you can't do it, but I say we were free, listen dreams. Now we're here, now we see the fight.
So, those that swim in the Atlantic, what do you think?
Oh, it was a great time, you know. Got a little dip ski in the water right across the arches, you know. It was a good time.
Awesome. Ethan, what do you think?
I loved it.
Ethan, what do you all think?
Woo!
A little chilly?
A little bit.
Awesome. Hey, what do you think?
I was jumped off a boat in
Ships
Portugal.
burn.